How to make kimchi. The ingredients you're going to need: 1 Napa cabbage, 2 medium carrots, red pepper flakes, Himalayan pink salt, optional garlic and ginger. Soak the chopped cabbage in salt water overnight. Chop to your desired size. I like mine finely chopped. Grate carrots. Mix together. Add pepper. Mix. Add chopped garlic and ginger. Pack tightly in an airtight glass container. Seal. Place in plastic to contain seepage. Store in a dry place for 24 to 48 hours. Here's my finished product. Here's my saipan made kimchi. 48 hours from start to finish. 24 hours soaking in brine. 24 hours fermenting. And some people ferment for longer, for multiple days, even weeks. And cost me 20 cents an ounce here, using ingredients bought here on Saipan. I put this in my salad. I put this in even potato salad. Sometimes I may just have this as a raw side to a meal. Make sure that I have something raw in every meal as much as possible. And if you check out the video titled 4 Reasons to Eat Food, you'll see that one of the reasons is for therapeutic value. So I like the taste, I enjoy it, but at the same time, I'm conscious of the fact that I'm eating it to restore the intestinal flora. I'm doing it for therapeutic reasons. I'm doing it for health reasons. So at this point, I put it in the refrigerator, and it will continue to ferment, but at a slower pace due to the cold. So at this point, I'll just show you what it looks like, and you'll have to imagine me actually eating it, but trust me, it tastes really nice. And let me know some of your secrets for making good kimchi, and I will see you in the next video.